Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Threads is showing no sign of slowing down, accruing 100 million users in less than a week. Incredible. And I know some people are pushing back, saying, well, it's Facebook, and pretty soon they're just going to be shoving ads down your throat. Actually, I like Facebook ads. That's how I found out about a lot of Star Wars stuff that I didn't otherwise have. Or they're saying things like, well, it's Instagram, and they're going to mess with the algorithm, and pretty soon you're going to have to pay money in order for any of your followers to see what you post. That is possible. Both are actually possible. I can't predict the future, but what I can say and point out specifically is that Threads, the people behind Threads, have strongly expressed intended support for ActivityPub, a protocol, not a platform, a protocol. What ActivityPub would allow you to do is to take your Threads profile, all those followers, your social graph, and move it over to another ActivityPub supported platform. Okay, so the protocol runs the platform. Effectively, let's say Threads start doing things you don't like, but you had all those people following you on Threads. You, with ActivityPub support, would be able to take that graph and move it to, say, Mastodon, because Mastodon is built atop ActivityPub, a part of the greater Fediverse. So this is the clear differentiator. This, to me, is the strongest card that Threads has yet to play. Forget being a Twitter alternative. This is a clear differentiator. It's one of the reasons why Mastodon is my stomping ground. It's my home. I love Mastodon. Get great engagement there, especially compared to Twitter these days, or Instagram, or Facebook. But Mastodon would be able to allow you to follow Threads users from Mastodon and potentially vice versa. If ActivityPub support is rolled out as seamlessly as it should be in the coming weeks, days, months, years, I don't know. Hopefully sooner rather than later. It's a boon.